Nice healthy individual with a little bit of back problems and tightness while surfing and having fun. Hop on your side and face me over here, where we can open up the low back and make sure everything's cleared out in the low back lumbar section. We'll just do a nice quick test there. Yeah. Normal adjustments will always be bilateral, even wherever the problem is. You want to clear out all the spots either way. Sometimes at different angles, just to make sure everything's out. Good. All right, we're gonna go face up. This one right here is the best for kinetic chain, leg step. We're going hip, knee, ankle. Make sure everything falls in line. If it moves smooth like that, that's good. Wellness adjustments will always be cervical, thoracic, lumbar, legs, hips. You want to clear out everything that can be possibly locked up, moved around, adjust everything in line. If one area has a problem, they all have a problem. Excellent. It's good to do. You can check even with hands and wrists. Make sure everything's in line there. Elbows. Good. Shoulder motions. Excellent. Get that opened up, freed up. Nice. Good.